Have you been looking for the right church and you just can't seem to find the right fit? Let me give you two things that you have to figure out when you're looking for the right church. First, Scripture has to be king. Scripture has to be the most valuable thing that is going on in your church. If your pastor is the one who dictates everything, or the elders, or the deacons, or any group of people at the church, get out. It is not going to be a good place to be. If you can tell this happens if they put up one scripture and then I give you all my cool thoughts about it and we don't go into any more scripture, you're not a scripture-based church. So be looking for something that is just scripture everywhere and scripture is king. The second thing you need to look for is, are these my people? Do I feel like I fit in here? Because there's a church that is meant for every single person. Everybody can find a place where they feel comfortable and loved and challenged and encouraged. But it's not always the same church. It's all about the culture. And culture is what goes unsaid, but is probably most important. It is the reason you hang out with the people you hang out with now. Because the culture, because of what you believe, because of the things you have in common. If you can find a church that where scripture is king and culture is exactly what you want it to be, you'll stay there forever. Make sure you go find the right church for you.